next question. See, factorize the following expressions. Factorize the following expressions in that 8th question. See, minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca. So in this, see, if you see this question, the common factor, the same factor in this minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca, which is a common term. 4a square minus plus 4ab minus 4ca, these all the terms, 4 is common, isn't it? Yes. So now how we can write a square? Minus 4 into a square can be written as a into a plus 4ab can be written as 4 into a into b minus 4 into c into a. Clear? So now see, in these three terms the common same factor is 4. 4 is same, and which is another same variable, that is a. 4 is common, a is common, and a is same. So take 4a outside. If you take 4a outside, the remaining terms, here the remaining terms is minus a plus next 4b. 4a we already took outside. The remaining factor is b minus 4a is took outside. The remaining is minus c. Clear? So this is what the factors. 4a is one factor and minus a plus b minus c is another factor. Okay. So the prime factorization of minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca is 4a minus a plus b minus c. Clear? So this is a prime factorization. If you want, you can verify your answer by multiplying this into this. 4a into minus a, similarly 4a into b and 4a into c. Clear? So this is a solution. Next question, that is 9th question. See, x square yz plus xy square plus xyz square. Clear? So now if you see the 9th question, x square yz plus xy square z plus xyz square. So in this, all the variables are given, there is no coefficients, isn't it? So that means there is a coefficient, that is 1. So now x square means x into x. X square can be written as x into x. Is it correct? So into y into z plus xy square z can be written as x into y into z plus xyz square means x into y into z into z. So here if you observe the common factor, the same factor in these three terms. See, here we can see x, in this term also we can find x, and in the last term also there is a x variable. So take x outside because that is a same factors, common factor, and remaining, see, y is common in these three, so you can write y also. Next, is there z? Yes, z is also common, so take outside. What is the remaining factors? The remaining factors in this term, if you take x, y, z outside, the remaining is x. Clear? So in the second term, already we took x, y, z outside. So what is remaining? Only y is remaining. This plus and 1. So again, in the last term, if you observe, see, x, y, z, z. So here also we took x, y, z outside. X, y, z outside. The remaining factor is z. Clear? So the answer is x, y, z. X into y into z can be written as x, y, z. Clear? So now inside the bracket write x plus y plus z. So these are the factors of given algebraic expression. Clear? So this is what x, y, z is one factor and x plus y plus z is another factor. So these are the factors. This is a method of factorizing. Clear? So if they ask to write the factors of before or 20, you write direct, isn't it? Factors. So factors means factors of 20, how will write? Which table divides completely? 20 divides, 1 divides. Next 2 divides 20 completely. So 2 divides, next we can see in 4 table is 4 divides 5, next 10, next directly 20 table. Is it correct? So these are the factors. If I ask prime factor means how to take the prime factorization of 20. How we can write the prime factorization? Prime factor. The factors will be prime number. Clear? So that means here 2 divides 20, right? 2 tens are, 2 5s are, 5 ones are. So these are the factors. So this is what the prime numbers. Prime factor. Clear? So that is what the prime factorization. Clear? So these are the factors of 20. Even this also factors. These are called prime factor. Okay? Yes. So but if algebraic expression is given, one expression is given, can you find the direct factors? It's in the question. So we cannot find. If I ask to find the factors of 20, we can find. So but if I ask to find the factors of given algebraic expression, it's difficult. So what we have to do? First you have to write like this, then take common factor, then we can say this is the factor of given algebraic expression. Clear? Yes, thank you. Okay, the ninth question, factorize the following expression. In that ninth question, x square yz plus, so this we solved our 10th question, a x square y plus bxy square plus cxyz. See, a square y plus bxy square plus cxyz. So now x square y means a into x into y plus b into x into y square, b into x into y plus c into x into y into z. So here axy and bxyy plus cxyz. So in this, the common factors, the same factors are x, isn't it? If you observe these terms, so you can say which is the common factor. The common factor is x, and here it's one more common, that is y, and y is the same factor in this. So take common factor outside, and remaining factors, z there is no common. Yes. So remaining numbers are ax plus here by, is it correct? Ax and in this by plus cz. So here x into y, that is xy, and here remaining terms ax plus by plus cz. So these are the factors of given algebraic expression. Clear? How to factorize? First you have to write, split and write ax y. This can be written as a into x into y, and bxy square. Y square means y into y. So write y into y and c into z into y into z. Clear? Yes. So in these three factors, this is one factor, second factor and third factor. In this terms, in the common same, we can see that is x is same in all these and y is the same. So that is what common factor. In remaining terms, write inside the bracket. Clear? So this is the 10th question. Factorization of a given algebraic expression in that last question. Clear? Thank you. Okay. The next question. Factorize x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. And second question, 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. So in this, factorize the first question. So now, see, if you observe this question, here there are 4 terms, isn't it? So x square, xy, 8x and 8y. So in this, you can make a group. So how to make group? You can consider first 2 terms and second 2 terms. Okay? So these 2 and these 2. So this is what a grouping. Okay, first you have the groupings like first two term and second two term, or else you can take x square and this first and third, second and fourth term. Clear? So now say if you make groups like this, x square plus y square one group and 8x plus 8y is another group. In this, see in x square plus xy, so which is a common same factor, x square and xy, which is a common factor. So in this x is a common, isn't it? X square means x into x, xy means x into y. So in this x is a same, so that you can take outside. Okay, in these two x is common, so take outside. The remaining number, remaining factor is a x plus in xy we already took x outside, right? So remaining is a y. Understood? So x square means x into x and plus xy, so x is common, so take outside. X square in that if you take one x outside, remaining one more x. Understood? X square means x into x. So in that one x I will outside, so remaining x right inside the bracket. Why we are taking only one x outside? Because in these two terms, x square and xy, here only one x, here two x are there. So you can take common factor, same factor outside. So x is common, so take outside. Remaining factors x and y. So x plus y. Okay. Next factors 8x plus 8y. 8x plus 8y. In this, the same factor is 8. 8 is common and remaining is x plus y. Okay. So x into x plus y plus 8 into x plus y. Again you have to take common factor in these two. So the common factor in these two is x plus y and x plus y. So this is one term and this is now another term. Clear? First step you have to make grouping like first two term and last two term. So in that you have to take common factor. So next again see x into x plus y plus 8 into x plus y. In this x plus y is common. X plus y is a common, same, and remaining factor. If you take x plus y outside, what is the remaining in this term? The remaining is x plus here remaining is 8. So now x plus y one factor, x plus 8 is another factor. Clear? So these two are the factors of a given algebraic expression. First you have to make two groups, first two and last two. Okay? So next you have to take common factor. Common factor is x plus y plus 8 if you take in this remaining x plus 1. So here x plus y same, so take outside, remaining x plus 8. So these are the factors of a given algebraic expression. So now second one, 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. So if you see the question, there are four terms here. So now 15xy and 6. So these two are one group. Okay, if you get four terms, you have to make group like this, and these two another group. Okay, first two and the last two. So now next after making group, take common factor, same factor. So if you want, 15 can be written as a 5 into 3 and 6 can be written as a 2 into 3. Okay, if you want, write after making group like 15 can be written as 3 into 5. 3 into 5 into x into y. Similarly 6 can be written as a 2 into 3 or 3 into 2 plus. So this is one group. Area 5y minus 2, 5y minus 2. Here 5 can be written as a 5 into 1 or 1 into 5. So no need of writing, let write 5 into y minus 2. Okay. So now 3 into 5 into x into y minus 2 into 3 into x. So here which is a common, same factor. So same factor is here 3. 3 is a common. So take 3 outside. And is there any variable, same variable? Yes, we can see x is common. So which is the remaining factors? The remaining factors are 5y minus 2. Yes, only 2 is remaining, right? So here 3x common. So take outside, remaining 5y. Here 5y is remaining, here is remaining only 2. So next plus 5y minus 2, this is one group, right? So in these two, which is a common, same factor is there is no common factor, so you will write a 1. So there is no common factor, so we will write a 1 in these two. So what is remaining? Same factor is remaining. So 5y minus 2. Clear? So now see, after taking common factor, again we will get two terms like this, 3x into 5y minus 2 and 1 into 5y minus 2. So again you have to make groups like, see, 3x into 5y minus 2 is one group and 1 into 5y minus 2 is another group. Okay? So in these two groups, which is a common, same factor. See, here we get same factor, okay? After making groups, definitely we get the same factors. Clear? So 5y minus 2, 5y minus 2. This is one group and this is another group because it is connected by plus sign, right? So now 5y minus 2 and 5y minus 2, we can say both the terms. So 5y minus 2 is a common. So if you take 5y minus 2 outside, which factor is remaining inside the bracket? So remaining is 3x here plus 1. So 5y minus 2 into 3x plus 1 is remaining. So 5y minus 2 into 3x plus 1. So these are the factors, two factors of given algebraic expression. Clear? So first see, you can write 15xy and 5y plus 5y together. Understood? Like this also you can write 15xy plus 5y and minus 6x minus 2. While writing the number, write the sign also. Along with that, write the sign also. Okay? So now 15 and 5, if you write together, so now we can take common factor because 5 table divides 5 and 15, isn't it? So 5 table, we can say 15 and 5, so we can take 5 as a common factor. Even 3 and 6, 2 and 6, you can take 2 outside, correct? 2 divides 2, 2 also divides 6. Okay? So now we can take common factor in these two. 15xy plus 5y minus 6x minus 2. So, but the answer will get same. 15 and 5 in this, if you take 5 outside, 5 how much of 15? 5 3s. So remaining 3 and y is common, right? So you fit y also outside. So 5y if you take outside, y same variable. So 5 how much? 15. 5 3s 15. 5 3s 15. The remaining variable is x plus 5y how much? 5y. So 1s 5 1s 5. Clear? Yes. So here minus 6x minus 2, which is a common, same number, same factor is 2. The sign is minus. So if you take 2 outside, so 2 how much? 6. 2 3s 2 3s 6. 2 how much? 2 1s 2. But the sign is plus. Why plus? See, if you multiply this, you should get the same term. So say 2 3s 6 minus into plus minus. Again 2 into 1 2. Sign, if you write minus, what happened? See, minus into minus will get plus. Actually you have to get minus sign. So if you write minus into minus, we will get a plus. So this is not possible, right? So sign you have to write here plus. So if you write plus, see, minus into plus minus. So again, if you compare in these two terms, which is a common, same factor. The same factor is 3x plus 1 and remaining 5y minus 2. So if see the answer, 3x plus 1, 5y minus 2, 5y minus 2. In both the method, we will get the answer same. Clear? So this is a method to factorize the given expressions. So in previous question, we got only 3 terms, but here there are 4 terms. How to factorize? First you have to make a group, first 2 and the last 2. or you can adjust, like you can change the order, like first and third you can take, and second and fourth term. Clear? So like that we can factorize the given terms. Thank you.